Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake Nutella, full guide. Start by gathering Nutella, cold milk, ice cream, and a blender. Measure ingredients before blending. Scoop 2 large spoonfuls of Nutella and add 1 to 2 cups of cold milk depending on desired thickness. Add 2 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream and a handful of ice cubes for chill and texture. Blend until smooth and serve immediately with a straw. Prepare ingredients and equipment on your counter for a smooth process. Chill the glass in the freezer while you mix to keep the shake cold longer. Spoon 2 tablespoons of Nutella into the blender first to ensure even mixing. Pour 1 cup of milk to start, add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and adjust milk if you prefer thinner or thicker consistency. Pulse briefly, then blend on high. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is leak-proof, easy to carry, and keeps your drink cold while you blend or stroll. I use it to stay hydrated between recipe takes, and it fits most cup holders, making it super handy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Taste and tweak your Nutella milkshake with small adjustments to reach perfection. If you want a thicker shake, add more ice cream or a few ice cubes and blend again. For extra depth, stir in a tiny pinch of salt or a splash of espresso to amplify chocolate notes. Finish with toppings like whipped cream or chopped hazelnuts to add crunch and presentation before serving to friends or family.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.